The winter solstice, or Yule as we know it, falls around the 20th to the 23rd of December. It represents the transition back into the light and a welcoming of the sun. Everything we associate with Yuletide has a symbolic meaning and a history. For instance, the Yule tree represents the tree of life, and our ancestors would decorate the branches with natural things such as pine cones and fruits or berry branches. This would allow the wildlife to feast when they visited the tree. The wreaths we place on our front doors symbolize the wheel of the year and the natural cycle of life and rebirth. Bells were also important and were rung to drive away any demons or wicked spirits that might visit during this dark time of the year. The Yule log was said to protect the home from unwanted spirits and was decorated with holly, mistletoe and other seasonal greenery. And caroling was also popular. This Yuletide tradition meant that little children of the village would celebrate the winter solstice by singing door to door. The villagers would then reward the youngsters with sweets and small gifts. Spell work during Yuletide should always be performed with happiness and harmony in mind. Any intentions related to love, romance and gratitude, those kind of spells will be very successful. Witches love to be traditional too and like to cast spells at this time of year to show thanks to the gods and goddesses for the past 12 months and to ensure a safe and abundant winter in the months ahead. I like to burn red, gold or green candles around Yuletide, every day letting them burn a while, blowing them out at night and relighting them the next day. Other objects I might place on my Yuletide altar are evergreens such as poinsettias or Christmas cactus and ivy. I also make sure that I bring holly into the house. This is said to ward off all evil spirits and keep the energies in the home sweet. Whether you worship the gods and goddesses or you prefer to work with the angelic vibration, Yuletide is a fantastic time to give thanks to the universe for everything that you've been given over the past 12 months. Light your candles and close your eyes for a moment, just remembering some of those blessings. Next, speak the following incantation 12 times. Yule is upon us. I thank the universe for all the blessings bestowed upon me. Keep me safe and free from harm as winter time appears. Blessed be. When you've said the spell 12 times, always close the ritual with the words, "So mote it be." You might want to say thank you to your deity in your own words. That is perfectly acceptable and will work just the same. If you would like more information about the sabbats, Sean Robbins and I have written a book called The Crystal Witch, and inside there's lots of information about these wonderful pagan sabbats.